Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add HTML code or embed codes in Wix. Now this is very quick and easy. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to select which website you want to add the HTML code. In the top left you want to click my site and then click on go to all my sites. Now this it will show you guys the list of your sites. Now I want to add an HTML code, for example, to this site. Now currently I only have one site. Probably you have like multiple sites. You just need to select which site you want to add the code to. So I want to add HTML code to this one. It's like I'm going to click select and edit site. Okay, now after that you want to click on edit site in the top right. Now after you get the HTML code from a third party like Elf site or any website, for example, you want to add a button, okay, and you want to add that button, they gave you the code, the HTML code, so that you can paste it on your website so that you can get the button, you can insert or you can put the button or anything like that on your website. Now I'm going to get an example. I'm going to go to Elf site, which is a free website. I'm going to click on widgets. I'm going to, for example, get a code for Instagram feed or WhatsApp. I'm going to get, for example, let's just search bar, for example, search option. Now, as you can see, this is the like different widgets. I'm going to go with this, the first one. I'm going to click on continue with this template. Now after you have the code, guys, I'm just going to get that right now because I want to get a code so that I can show you guys that it works. Okay, I'm going to click on publish in the top right and I'm going to click on the free plan, select. Now this is the code, okay, this is the HTML code. Now I'm going to click on copy code and now I'm going to show you how you can paste this code inside your Wix website. Now you want to click on this plus in the top left and then you will find a lot of features here. Now you want to click on embed code, okay, and you can select here if you want to add embed HTML. For example, you can add widgets, which what I did right now, I added the widgets. I'm going to add a widget like or apps to your site using HTML code, or you can embed a site like display an external website in the window on your site, or you can get a custom element, which is display custom elements using the snippet of code. Now to add HTML, just select the first option and then you want to paste that code here and then click update. Make sure you select here code. Okay, it says here website address and code, select code and then click update. As you can see, this is the code I have in like added the code to my Wix. As you can see, this search bar here. Okay, that's it. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.